How's it going?
How's it going on there? Oh,
Yeah.
oh good, yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I was
ready?
rushing, man. I didn't really get the chance to eat anything. I'm proper hungry, man. You ain't got anything up yet?
I've only got it's a big grab bag, but it's just Walker's ready salted, I'm afraid.
Ready sorted, man.
Yeah.
What? Why ready sorted?
Why is
Come
that not
on,
good
man.
enough
With
for you?
flavour.
It's food, isn't it? What do you want me to do?
Oh God.
Ready salted, it is what it is, right? I mean, there is no way to fix ready salted.
You know what? I've got an idea.
What are you thinking? Oh.
Carry this with me everywhere.
Yeah.
Because you never know when you need to like add a bit of flavour to something.
What is it? What is it? Explain.
This is Tajín. It's like a blend of spices. I think it's lime, chili, bit of salt. It's a traditional thing in Mexico. They use to sort of spice up fruits, that kind of thing. But I think it's the perfect thing that we can use to sprinkle on these boring ready salted crisps, man.
Gotta say, yeah, when I bought them I was thinking these are boring, so I'm really excited about this.
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, literally simply just open this up. The crisps there. You know, if I was at home, I'd add a little bit of lemon juice to it as well.
Oh.
But we haven't got it yet, so sprinkle that a bit there.
Look at that.
Okay, close that.
That's nice.
That's a bag. Give it a good shake, mix it all round. Okay, now you put a bit of lemon juice because it's a bit moist. It sticks.
Oh, nice idea. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's going to go to the bottom, yeah. Right, we all know what ready salted crisps taste like, right? So let's introduce that one.
It's right in it.
Oh, yeah. Getting the acidity from the lime powder in there. It's not too hot either, it's just a
No, it's just nice.
deep sort of kick. Yeah, I'm loving the light sourness from the lime in there. And it's just added to the saltiness. Look at that, that's seasoned up. Are you happy now?
Proper nice. This is perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So, verdict. What do you think, chaps?
Yeah, we've sorted it out. Boring crisps are now really nice.
Yeah.
This works amazing on like pineapple, mango, or watermelon. So yeah, you want one of these, man.
That is nice.
Yeah. It literally works on everything.
There you go. For you at home, if you're bored of ready salted crisps and your mate just does not deliver with the emergency food rations, always carry a little bottle of what is it? Tajín seasoning.
Yeah,
Mexico classic.
yeah. You know, we look after you here. Food Cartel, we look after you. You know.
Exactly. Yeah.
These are real life, real problems, and you know we're providing solutions for you, and we'll continue to do so.
That's it. So make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell, don't miss a single tip, and remember. Put a link on screen so you can buy through the affiliate links. We'll make like millions selling Tajín.